Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage who can see your Flipside profile on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram is launching a new feature called Flipside to a small group. It allows users to create a private section on their profile for sharing personal content exclusively with close friends. This feature is similar to the concept of having a Finsta, where Instagram users maintain a separate, more private account apart from their main public profile. However, this allows users to have privacy without having to create a whole new account. So if you want to manage who can see your Flipside account, your Flipside on your Instagram account, first of all, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. You'll see there is a Flipside icon with K inside here. You can tap on that. So it will switch to your Flipside. Now you can tap on only you can see your Flipside. In this ace icon, you can tap on that. Now you can choose account or your friend on Instagram that you want to add to your Flipside account who can see your Flipside. As example, I will choose this, and this. I'll choose these three accounts. So, Instagram will notify people that you've added, but not people that you've removed. So those that you add will be able to see what you shared to your Flipside. So when you add them, some account to your Flipside, they'll get notification from Instagram that notify them that you just add them to your Flipside. Now you can tap on done. So whenever you make a story or post some posting to your Flipside, this account that you just choose, they can see your story and your other posting. So that is how to manage who can see your Flipside account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!